Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a home goods haul. I'm so excited to show you guys a few things that we picked up over the weekend. My friend and I went shopping together, and she just recently bought her house, and I'm helping her decorate. So these items in this box that you guys are gonna see are things that I helped her pick at Home Goods. And then also you guys are going to see a few things that I got for myself. I hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoy. So this is the first item that I found. I was walking through the aisles of where the candles were at, and I spotted this beauty. Voila! It was just stunning. I saw it. At first I thought it was plastic, but then as I picked it up, I noticed that it was glass, and it was stunning. I have already too much crystals here in my house, so I figured this would be perfect for her since her decor is pretty similar to mine. And the price for this was only $19.99. I loved it. I thought it was a great price. And it's by the same brand that makes those sparkly trays that I have. If you guys have been here for a while, you know what sparkly trays I'm talking about. Yeah, so it's from the same brand or company. So it was a major plus in my opinion. And this is how it looks like. Look how shiny that is. I loved it. So I was like, yes, it's perfect for my friend. Special thanks to Adriana for modeling this piece of decor. Oh, she did such a great job. I was like, you need to help me because we were supposed to film together, but we were just laughing out loud and we ended up doing something else. But anyways, so the next item that we also found were candles because I said to her, she's like, I'll just take the tray just like this. And I'm like, no, to be honest, I think you should just take the candles already. We're here. Let's just get it over with. And I found these candles. The price for them were $7.99. So the tall ones were $7.99. I didn't know that they smelled. I thought they were just like plain candles. But they do have a scent. And that one is jasmine and this is vanilla. The price for the smaller one was $4.99. What I loved about this little tray is that you can also use it for multiple things. You can always put fake flowers inside with some little rocks. So it's not only 4 candles, but I am so glad that she got it. I mean, that she listened to me because I thought it was really pretty. And all this together was $40 with 96 cents. Plus tax, of course. But it's just so beautiful. I was so happy that she got it. I was like, yay! I could definitely see this little tray with some 99 cents little rocks, and then you can always put your brushes on it and display it on your vanity. That's another way that you can do it as well. These flowers right here, I found them for her. I just never seen something like this before. I just thought they were really cute. I love the base, and I love the little pearl details. She's planning on using this for her coffee table. And the price for them were only $14.99. So this two together was 30 bucks. Plus a 40, so she ended up spending about $75 on this. But I think it was completely worth it. We did go back and she purchased a rug, which we did not show you guys on this video because we did not want to drag it inside the house and show you. But it was such a pretty rug. I think she paid $150 for that. So gorgeous. It matches with everything that we picked together. So yeah, this is what she got. I thought it was really pretty. I'm so happy that she found, or actually I'm the one that found it. But I'm so happy that she did listen to me and she purchased it because I think it's really pretty. So yeah, that's what she picked. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the items that I helped her pick. And now I'm going to show you guys a few things that I got for my home. It's just 3 little things, pretty basic, but they're adorable as well. Alright you guys, so this right here, I did get it at HomeGoods. The price for this was $6.99. I'm going to be using this in my bathroom. It's pretty similar to the other disposal, like soap disposal I believe it's called, that I got at HomeGoods. So I thought, hey, I need that little small tray. I don't know if you call it a tray, but I'm just going to use this as well in my bathroom. I know it's a little basic, but basics are good as well. The next item that I picked up from Ross was this 2 picture frames. I'm going to be using them for pictures of Rosa and Diego. And the price for this was $7.99, which I thought it was a really good deal. I have a few that are, I think they're more like brown. And I just wanted something gray that matches better with my decor. And this is how they look like. One looks very feminine and the other one looks more masculine. So I thought this would be perfect for Rosa. And then the other one would be perfect for Diego. So my total was $25 and her total was $75. So altogether it was $100 worth of stuff that we bought this weekend, or this past weekend. Well, not including the rug, but we didn't show you the rug. So yeah, only $100. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this mini haul, if you guys like it. But yeah, so I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.